out. You niggas soft like making good flips up. My kicks out, my whip hot. I came out the womb with back when I was playing Stomping God, it'd be a bunch of niggas up on campus talking hard. Get exposed to these hoes, boy, knock it up. I seen your mama in the bed, so she dropped you up. Now who more tired than me? I paint a picture of the pain for my world to see. You paint a picture of the game for my girl to see. Gotta ask myself what mean the world to me. Nothing's impossible, and all you lame niggas show me what not to do. I met a real bad bitch in the club tonight. She told me watch the snake, cause they watching you. I told her, oh baby don't stop. I ain't looking for the way to your heart. She said you about to miss church while she riding me. I let my son in with a cherry on top. Hands up. Hands up. Make that ass drop. Up top, make that ass drop. Make that ass drop. Fucking noise, what's up? Syracuse, make some motherfucking noise tonight. How y'all feeling? Y'all good?
Hell yeah!
Y'all feel good?
Yeah!
We so happy to be in this motherfucker tonight. For those that don't know, if you just came out because there was something to do on campus and shit, allow me to introduce myself. My name is J. Cole, Cole Wood. Turn all the lights up so I can see everybody in this motherfucker right now. Turn the spotlights off, just for right now. Turn the spotlights off so I can see up top. Oh yeah, up top, what's up? Left side up top, what's up? My man got the full beard, he rockin' with me too, hell yeah, that's a grown man beard, dog. Right side, what's up? I think this is where it's at though, down here, man, this might be where it's at. How the fuck y'all get so close? What you had to do? Yeah, I don't know. How you doing? We gonna set this shit off one time tonight, Syracuse. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready?